As humans, we're constantly making observations about the world around us. Even infants can observe something, their favorite toys for instance, and infer a set of characteristics, color, size, shape, etc. By comparing these characteristics, we can make inferences about differences and patterns. Science requires us to take these intuitive processes of observation to a deeper level of careful record keeping and precision. One way to do this is by constructing a dataset. Datasets come in many forms. Here are the basics of one very commonly used form, the Rectangular Long Form Dataset. You probably recognize this as something akin to a spreadsheet. To start, we have to remember that data is the plural form of datum. A datum is a singular piece of information about something. This means a dataset is a structured arrangement of datums. The something those bits of information are about is known as the unit of observation. The unit of observation is represented by a row in our dataset. Units of observation take on many forms throughout scientific disciplines. For our example in this video, let's imagine a survey dataset. In survey research, the unit of observation is typically an individual person, interviewed by the researcher. This means a row in the dataset represents one person. We know that people are extraordinarily complex, and we can observe many characteristics about them. Those characteristics can be thought of as variables. Variables are something about the unit of observation with the potential to show variation. Examples of variables in a survey are age, gender, race, and income. Consider a variable like age. We can give that variable a simple variable name, like age. But age can be measured in many ways, as years or categories, and with several types of survey questions. We've highlighted a few things about a simple but common type of data set. There's a lot more to consider before plunging into a serious data collection project. But to start, just by seeing data as bits of information, knowing that rows represent units of observation, and understanding that columns represent variables about those units, you've learned the basics of creating a scientific picture of reality, a data set.